right, so digit wireless, and you have this special keyboard for a mobile phone, huh?
Yes, it's called Fastap, and it's a combination of raised and lowered keys with error prevention software. So it makes mobile messaging 3G services very easy and intuitive to use.
All right.
So every letter and number has a separate button, so there's no need to triple tap in your messages or do mobile search.
So there's the numbers and the letters, that's the point.
Correct. Numbers and letters combined, and it's raised and lowered keys with an error prevention software built in.
What do you say, error prevention?
So basically, if I hit a raised key, the size of the key that I get to press is the lowered keys around it. So if I press the K, I can hit the K because it's raised very easily. If I want to hit a number key, the key press area is the size of the 4 keys around it. So I could mash all 5 buttons at once, and it knows I want the number 5.
Oh yeah.
So I don't have to worry about operating the device.
So you have a special software that goes in a special mobile...
Correct. It's a very small error prevention algorithm software which goes inside of the keypad driver.
The keypad driver,
Yes.
So it could go on any kind of phone? Could it go on a Symbian and everything?
Any kind of phone. Symbian platform. We'll have some smartphones coming out this year with Windows Mobile platform. And we will have other mainstream devices coming out as well in the coming year.
Because it's such a pain to hit the numbers several times to type the SMS.
Yep.
So this is the same area.
Yes. And you'll see there's another device that's over on that stand, which is being launched in Russia, US, and Canada, coming up in 2007 as well.
All right.
And you can, since the layout is alphanumeric in alphabetical order, you can have 100 different languages. So OEM can license the technology and regionalize it for India, Russia, whatever they want to put on the raised keys. They again can enable easier to use keypad than mobile phones.
So have you made some calculations how much faster it is to type the SMS with this?
It really depends on the user. What we like to say is that it's simple and intuitive right out of the box. What we find is when people get a new phone, there's a similar learning curve for every phone that they use. And in this case, with a full alphanumeric keypad, it helps introduce mobile data services to some people that have never used it before. And as in Europe, where SMS is very prevalent, and people are used to the triple tap, we've done a lot of interviews there, and people don't necessarily like it, but they have to do it because they don't have an alternative. But it's been proven that on a full keypad, that you're faster and quicker with everything that you do.
So this one is launching in Mexico?
Yes, this one will launch in Mexico this week.
This week?
Yes, it's launching this week with 40 million subscribers in Mexico. And the LG device that won the Innovations Award launched with Altel.
Is this one? We can just see it.
So this phone launched with Altel in August, and a very similar phone launched with TELUS in Canada. And it's an LG phone that kind of has a race car look and feel to it. And as you can see, same enabling keypad technology, very different implementations.
Is it a little bit more expensive to have this kind of keyboard?
Slightly more expensive for the keypad, but the fact is that the data services, the increases that the operators see, are tremendous. This phone has been proven to drive 97% more data ARPU, average revenue per user, which means that the users use it more.
They browse the internet, they type in forums and all that?
Yes, they use multimedia messaging more because they can enter email addresses in easier. They use instant messaging.
Email is great for email.
Exactly.
All right, okay.
So yes, and we will have a device that is coming out in 2007, which will have word prediction and next phrase prediction software on it to make it even faster.
Which prediction?
It's called, in other words, a 12-button keypad needs predicted text. A lot of people don't use the predictive text; they rather triple tap. But some people who like to have that type of predictive nature to the phone. With a full keypad, you don't need to disambiguate between multiple letters and numbers on a key. So what they have built, Zai and TJIC, who are our partners, they've built basically next word and next phrase completion. So it'll predict the word as you're typing it.
All right.
But it becomes a lot more accurate because it's just a full keypad.
Okay, all right. Okay, thanks.
Thank you.